But before we get started, please subscribe to our channel, give us a huge thumbs up, and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you're notified whenever we upload a new video. Now let's get started. Again, police pursuit.
You excited about this?
Yeah!
World Tech Toys. And show me your remote control. All right. And Sarah Beth, what did you get?
I got the police
And a remote control? Okay, let's see the police. All right, and I know it said on there that it makes the sounds. Okay, let me see. Can you do a circle again? There it goes. Race number 2. Whoa! The blue car ran into the finish line. Oh, who's gonna win? Who's gonna win this race? Whoa, it was the blue car.
1, 2, 3, go.
What? Oh, we made it around the first one. The blue truck has made it. Oh my goodness. The police car is out of control.
Yeah!
Whoa. Blue car has made it through some of them. Sarah Beth is dancing even though the police car is out of the race.
Mama, can we do another obstacle course now? Mom.
Trying to do, whoa.
Whoa!
Whoa, Sophie almost got hit by the police car. These girls have been dying for remote control cars. They were so excited when they got to open them and they couldn't wait to start racing them. What did you think about racing?
It was out of control.
It was out of control. Was it fun? Woo! Good job! It hit it. It went up the ramp. All right. It's hard for us to keep them straight. Oh, good job! Keep it coming. Yay! Oh, no. She took my car. Get the blue car for me. All right, here I go again, guys. One cheer, come on. Woo, woo, woo. Let's see if I can do it. Come on, blue truck. You can do it.
Oh, look at the video.
All right. Daddy just got home and we have challenged him to see if he can make the remote control car go down the slide and across the ramp and jump off of the Diet Coke boxes. Of course, I said you can practice for a minute and he got it first time. We'll see if he can do it again. Sarah Beth got it when we were not on film, so we'll see if she can do it again while we're actually videoing. Let's see if she can do it. Woo! She did it! Let's see if Daddy can make it go across as good as Sarah Beth. Oh man, crash and burn. Homemade